At number 1, we have the Ninja NC501 CREAMi Deluxe. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is a versatile and efficient ice cream maker that can create a wide variety of frozen treats. This 11-in-1 machine offers an impressive array of functions, including ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, and new additions like Italian ice, slushy, and frozen yogurt. The CREAMi Deluxe features a powerful motor base with dual-drive motors and Creamify technology, which transforms frozen ingredients into creamy desserts in minutes. One of the standout features is its larger capacity compared to previous models. The NC501 comes with two 24-ounce CREAMi Deluxe pints, allowing for 50% more ice cream production. This is perfect for families or those who enjoy making larger batches. The machine's design is user-friendly, with a simple three-step process: prep the base, freeze overnight, and process. The CREAMi Deluxe offers excellent customization options. Users can create healthier versions of their favorite treats by controlling ingredients, making it ideal for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. The mix-in function allows for easy incorporation of additional ingredients like chocolate chips or fruit. Cleaning is hassle-free, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. The compact design doesn't take up much counter space, making it suitable for various kitchen sizes. While it requires 24-hour freezing of ingredients before processing, the actual ice cream making process is quick, typically taking only a few minutes. So that sums up my top 5 ice cream